Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're brand new, and if you are, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell notification to be notified of future videos. Today I have a small Dollar Tree haul as well as a couple of things from Hobby Lobby that I want to share with you. So let's jump right into it. Let's start off with these Valentine decor items from Dollar Tree. I found the Loads of Love special delivery truck, and I really like this. So I'm just going to use this on one of my tiered trays. So keep your eye out for that one because they're just putting these ones out. And I also picked up the other one that says Hugs and Kisses, fast and free delivery. And this one is so cute because it has these little hearts that look like they're like cherries. Isn't that adorable, you guys? I just love these. I think they're both so cute. And they're the perfect size to go on a tiered tray as well. So got those. And then I found these little envelope. They're rather small, but as you can see, can fit right into my hand. Whoops! Right into my hand. And I picked up 2 of those. I don't like to have glitter on everything, so I might put something over the heart, just a heart, like, because I've got like these little bags of felt hearts that they're stickers I could put over that. So there's those. Those are really cute, and those were also just put out at my stores. I finally found the little Volkswagen bug in pink that says Heartbreaker. It's got all these little hearts on the top. So there's that. And that's really cute. Could go into a, that's what I might put it on. I think I'm going to do it on a Valentine's wreath in the middle hanging. So there's that. There's this cute little unicorn. I think I'll put this one up at the studio. There's that. And there's the sloth. And that one I really do like a lot, but I am going to put something over the glitter. He's really cute. So look for him. There is this little panda, and they all have the glitter heart in the middle, but isn't he adorable? I think he's so cute, you guys. I just love all this pink stuff. You know me, my pink, so. And then this sign I got 2 of because I want to make one for me and one for my sister, and I already pulled the little rose off of it, you guys, on each one of these. But it says Sisters Before Misters, and my sister and I both have this thing where we always sing the song from White Christmas, and the 2 sisters on there sing this whole song about sisters, and they wear this turquoise feathery costume when they're singing it. And so I love that this heart has already got that, and I went ahead and I purchased this because I'm going to incorporate this into it somehow, and I think it's going to be really cute. So there's that, and I got 2, and yes, I pulled the roses off, the red rose. It really did not go with this to me. So, and then this sign, I'm just going to keep this. I did actually buy it because I was going to do a DIY with the other side, but I believe that I have another truck that I can do that with because this one is so cute with the 3 gnomes. I think it's adorable, so I'm going to keep that one. And I found this shower curtain at Burlington yesterday that has like that red classic truck on it, and I put that up in my guest bathroom, and it looks really cute. And then this love meter. I picked up this pink ribbon. Excuse my nails, you guys. They really need to be done. I just haven't had time. So I'm going to try my best not to show them, but this is a really pretty pink ribbon to use for Valentine's DIYs. And then I grabbed this gingham pink ribbon. and that's really pretty too. And that one can also be used for Easter because I feel like the pink gingham is great for Easter too. I have 3 of these. I don't know where the other one went, but I got some of this burlap, pink burlap ribbon because I want to do a wreath with it, I think for Easter. I'm not sure. I haven't decided. I might do it for Valentine's. I might do it for Easter, but I'm not positive. But I have another roll of it somewhere here. But there's that. And then, shirt, you guys, just will not stay in the right place. And it says, forget me not. And I didn't buy this for Valentine's, but I just found it in my closet. And I was like, perfect. I'll wear that for my video. And then this is ornaments, and you get 18 pieces. I probably might use some of them for ornaments, but they're lips. They're little wood lips. And my plan was to use them in some type of sign or something, some DIY that I do. So those, and this wood heart. And I kind of wished it had like a hole here, but it doesn't. So, because I was going to like maybe string through some twine and put some beads and make a little bead garland with this. I'm going to probably paint it or stain it, not sure. And then at the same time, I also found this little breadboard wood piece. And I've seen them before, but I just did not pick them up. But I thought it was so cute. I wanted to do something with that for the kitchen. So that's really cute. I found these, it says sticky paper flowers. And they do have a little glitter on them, which I'm not super happy about, but I think they'll still be very pretty in a DIY. So there's those. Yeah, you get 12 of those. Sort of like the lips, they call them ornaments, and I'm not really sure why they're calling them ornaments, but that's what they're calling them. And then these ceramic pieces, and I didn't pick up all of them because there was a mail truck, but I love the cupcake. Thought it was really cute. And I will paint that one. And then I picked up this mailbox for Savannah because I know that she liked that one. So those are really pretty. I mean, they're not pretty yet. I mean, they're not ugly, but never mind. Here I go again, just talking about stuff that's not important. And then I had already gotten these before, so just really quick, some more of the pom-poms. And I thought these are good for garland, but they would also be good to do some type of, you know, piece where you just cover it in the pom-poms. Kind of, I did my, like, the giant styrofoam heart. I did that with pom-poms on it, and it came out really cute. And maybe I'll throw a picture of it into this video. I also picked up some more letter stickers. I love this style here, so I grabbed one of these with the capital letters, and then this one with the lowercase. And you know, you can always use a lot of those. So some of this super glue epoxy. I'm going to try that because I have not tried it. So I got some of that. Another one of these canvas bags. And I thought this one would be really cute for Valentine's for a pillow. Even though purple is not the color that I use in my decor, I still thought it would be pretty for a Valentine's pillow. Or, you know, maybe I'll just keep it as a tote bag. I grabbed one of these little decor pillows in pink because I'm going to fix that up for to put in my this pretty chair that I have, this antique chair. And I'm going to add that to my other pillow. I see blue feathers flying around me. That's from the feathers, obviously. And then finally, I did find these homemade cards, and I like to use these for DIYs. One of them actually is going to be to give to one of my daughters. I thought that one was really sweet. Pardon the pen. So I got that one, which will be used as a card. This one I got for DIYing with a little bee. That one's really cute. And then this one I think is the cutest thing ever. It says, "We make a great pair," and it's got the little socks. And these are, you know, they're like a little added piece, so you can pull them off of here, and that's why these are so awesome to use in DIYs. And then this one I thought was super awesome because it has navy and pink in it, which are my colors. And it's like a nice big text as well. So this will go really great in a sign. And then this last one has, and they had other ones, but these are the ones I really like. These little envelopes. I thought those were really cute. And I know I didn't show you the inside of every card, but I'm not using them as greeting cards, so it doesn't matter. And then this book, it says 40 Reasons Why I Love You. And I thought this was just super cute. It's a fill-in book, and it's got different, you know, pages of things you can fill in. And I just thought that would make a really nice Valentine instead of a card. So there's that. And quickly I got these little gift boxes for jewelry because I don't really have any. And you can also put a gift card into these if you want, you know. Decorate the box, wrap the box, whatever you want to do. These bows from the gift wrap section. And then I also picked up this little door. I don't know what you call that. What do they call that? They call it a doorknob hanger. I thought this one was really pretty. And it's supposed to be like bells, but you know. I picked up this little storage silicone thing because I saw someone else put it into one of those new clear bins. I wanted to show you really quick. Here's that container. If you guys remember these, they had the like rose colored handles and the little clasp. And then, like I said, I found the silicone little bin, and I wanted to show you how it can fit into this container really quick. So here's the container. And then this is like very bendable and soft, so you can just push that down in there. And if you're going to use it like this, the only thing I will say is you want to store something light, like something like this, you could store in there so it doesn't just fall down. But look, you guys, so it adds another little element of storage to this, and it sits right there like that. And then you just put the lid right back on, and you can put things underneath it. Down in here. Sorry about the ring light reflection. And then you just put your lid back on, close it up, and now you've got an extra storage layer there. So just wanted to show that to you real quick, you guys. So just finishing up, I wanted to show you the things I found at Hobby Lobby. I picked up these little stakes. They're small, so I guess they're supposed to go into maybe a floral arrangement or something, but I'm just going to pull them off of there, and I'll be using them in some other type of DIY. But isn't the truck cute, you guys? And I did notice that I had a like a wood table decor that says Loads of Love that I got at Hobby Lobby last year that they did again this year. And then there's this bicycle. And all of the Valentine's decor was 40% off while we were there on Saturday. So, but I thought that was really cute. Again, I'll pull this one off, and they're really easy to get off of there. And then you guys, this little bag of these gingham pink hearts. They're pretty good sized. And I'll probably throw those into a bowl, maybe some of them onto a tiered tray. But yeah, I just love those. And they had them like in the black and white, and they had them in the red and white. But look at this little, so this one has a stand on it, because last year I picked up one that was an ornament, which is on my Valentine's tree. But I love these vintage, they look like vintage Valentine's cards, like from, I don't know what era it's from, but it's old. Maybe the 50s or 60s, I'm not sure. They're so cute though. So this one I will put on a tiered tray. And I finally, because my tiered tray was kind of empty and I wasn't knowing what to put on there. I do have some new items I'm excited about. This is an ornament, so this will go on the tree. Oh, my nose is itching so bad, you guys, because of the feathers. Whoops. So there's this one. It's an ornament. It's got the little hanger. And super cute. And you guys, these stickers look like Scrabble pieces. I'm in love. Sister had this really great idea that she gave me, so I don't want to take credit for it, but she said, why don't you like go see if you can find an old Scrabble board, like at maybe a thrift store, and then turn it into like a Valentine's Day sign. And I thought, that's such an awesome idea. But I don't know if I can find one of those, but you never know. You just got to go look. I did find this, and it was $5.99 minus 40%. I think I paid like $3 something for it. I'm not good with quick math, so, but isn't that cute? But I do like them. They're really cute. Very small, but made out of wood, because the ones at Dollar Tree I think are like cardboard or something. And I picked up these little heart stickers, and I thought they were so cute and would be great for DIYs. They've got polka dots and stripes in the gold and the pink and the red. And I found this drawing mat with the conversation hearts on it. And I'm really into the conversation hearts this Valentine season coming up. And so I've seen people do decor pillows with the drying mat. And so I think that's probably what I'm going to do with it, because I don't lay dishes on my counter to dry. They just go right into the dishwasher because I don't like stuff on the counter. Whoops. So, and this one was $7.99 minus 40%. Good deal. That's when you want to go shopping there. And then I did not have this little pink truck. I have a blue one. So I found the pink one, because last year I was looking everywhere for it and couldn't find it at any Dollar Tree. And it's small. It's small enough to go into a tiered tray. It's just the perfect size and the perfect color of pink, you guys. So sweet. And that was only $7.99 minus 40% off. Guys, that's the haul. Thank you so much for watching today, and I appreciate you guys. I really would love if you all would give me a thumbs up, because it does help my channel to grow, and share my channel if you can with others, because I really need to grow my subscribers. And I just want to tell you guys, I hope that you stay positive. I hope that you stay hopeful, and above all, try to always be kind, because it really does make a difference in this world. And until the next time I see you guys, bye.